Hi Maes.
Hi dear. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
Well, I'm a bit busy with clients. What's up?
Well, I need a little bit help from you. I will be happy if you help me.
Yes, sure. I will help you. Please ask.
I want to learn Wondershare Filmora video editor. Will you help me in this?
Yes, sure. I will start my video tutorials on Filmora soon. You can watch my videos on YouTube and on Facebook page too.
Wow, it's amazing. Thanks Maes. I will subscribe your channel and like your Facebook fan page too.
Hi friends. This is Maes. I am starting video tutorials on Wondershare Filmora video editor. This is one of the advanced video editor till now. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.